In this lesson, we're going to see angles and arcs. We're going to start by the central angle of a circle. That is an angle with a vertex in the center of the circle, this one, and you have another side and another side BC that are formed by the two radii of the circle. So my central angle is going to be A, B, C. The sum of the central angles is this. The sum of the measure of the central angles of a circle with no interior points in common is 360. If you see the picture, the measure of 1 plus the measure of 2 plus the measure of 3 is going to be a complete circle, meaning 360. In the following example, we need to find the measure of the central angles x, knowing that I have GXH, a central angle with a measure 130, HFJ, a central angle with a measure of 90 degrees, and we have to find the measure of x, the central angle GFJ. Well, for this purpose, we know that the addition of the measure of three angles, 130 plus 90 plus x, is going to be one complete circle, 360. So what I'm going to do is add them up. X plus 130 plus 90 degrees equals to 360, and solve for x. When I solve for x, I'm going to have x equals 140 degrees. In the following guided practice, I have another circle with this center, and I have to find x the same way. I do x plus 145 plus 165 equals one complete circle, 360, and I'm going to have to solve for it. So let's do it. The measure of x plus the measure of angle 145 plus the measure of angle 165 is going to be equals to 360. Okay, I'm going to solve for x now. So I'm going to subtract both sides, minus 145 and minus this one, 165, both sides, okay? 360 minus 145 minus 165, and this I'm going to add now. This 2 goes away, this 2 goes away, and the measure of angle x is going to be what I have left here. That means 360 minus 145 minus 165 is going to be 50 degrees. Now, as an example, if we go to our workbook, skill practice for measuring angles and arcs, we can solve some of